Are you ready to explore a world where tech gadgets are so advanced that they make your head spin? There have been incredible technological advancements over the last few years, and it is amazing to see what people can come up with. In this video, we will be going over 9 such tech gadgets that you might not have heard of before but would love to have some or all of these. Number 9. Oral-B AO Series 10. We all brush once, if not twice a day, so why not brush in style? This toothbrush is the latest in Oral-B's IO range, with 7 personalized brushing modes, pressure sensors, and a smart blinking charger that guides you through your brushing routine. But the features don't end there. The Series 10 is also whisper quiet and water resistant, making it great for shower users who are looking for a more luxurious experience. To top it all off, the toothbrush also connects to a dedicated app via Bluetooth, so you can track your brushing habits and get tips for better dental hygiene. So no more excuses for not brushing twice a day. The Oral-B AO Series 10 is here to ensure you have a smile that will last for years. Number 8. MetaQuest Pro. The metaverse is a virtual world that is currently being developed by tech giants, such as Meta, formerly Facebook. This virtual world is a place where people can live, work, and play in an entire world that exists on a computer. For those who want to dive right in and experience this world, the MetaQuest Pro 2 is the ultimate way to do so. It comes complete with high-end specs such as an 8K display, 6D motion tracking, and haptic feedback. These features provide a realistic and immersive experience, making it feel like you are actually a part of the metaverse. MetaQuest Pro 2 is the most advanced virtual reality headset on the market, allowing you to get a glimpse of what life in the metaverse might be like. With the MetaQuest Pro 2, you can explore expansive virtual worlds and meet interesting people. You can make friends, start businesses, and live out your wildest dreams in a safe and secure environment. Number 7. GoCube. GoCube Speed Cube is the smart, connected cube that has revolutionized the puzzle with its electronic sensors and real-time tracking capabilities. The GoCube has contactless sensors that track your activity and movement, and an orientation sensor that includes the accelerometer and gyroscope to track 3D positions in real time. This gadget has internal LED lights that light up with white light, making the puzzle game much more fun. These lights are designed to be environmentally friendly and consume less energy, as they can last up to thousands of hours. You can also enjoy the GoCube wherever you are, as it has a rechargeable battery that provides 60 hours of playtime. Number 6. Moleskine Smart Writing Set 2.0. Writing notes has never been easier or more efficient with the Moleskine Smart Writing Set 2.0. This smart tech gadget lets you jot down your ideas, thoughts, and inspirations with a classic Moleskine notebook, pen, and paper. All you need to do is charge the pen, download the accompanying Moleskine app, and connect it to your computer, tablet, or smartphone. With a single swipe, your scribbles and sketches will be instantly reproduced on the screen of your device and transcribed into text, too. Not just that, your notes and doodles can be uploaded directly to the cloud so you can access them from anywhere. You can even export videos of your work. And with the new version, you can also use it as a dictaphone to record audio. Number 5. Couch Console. We all hate having our drinks spill while we are in the car, but with the Couch Console by Ebite Inc, you don't have to worry about that anymore. It uses a gyroscope system to keep your cup in a vertical position, providing stability and sturdiness. This insane gadget also comes with a cup holder, snack holder, and USB charging plug, so you never have to worry about running out of juice. In addition to these, it has an organizer for your phone and remote control, which means you will always know where to find them. This gadget also includes extra storage space for batteries and other small items you may carry around with you. In terms of quality, it is made from recycled foam and has a lightweight yet durable construction that is environmentally friendly. And the lifetime warranty is the cherry on top of this gadget, making it the best gadget to have in 2023. Number 4. Glow. If you are into the futuristic look and want to add a new twist to your wardrobe, then Glow from YesWeGlow is sure to make you stand out. After hearing the name Glow, you might think of it as a beauty cream or a face mask, but they are actually sneakers with an entire surface of LED lights. With 6 color patterns, you can easily coordinate them with your wardrobe. The shoes have been constructed using a honeycomb fabric that makes them waterproof and breathable at the same time. It means you can wear these sneakers for both summer and winter night parties. And don't worry about the lights turning off while you are dancing, because this unique gadget has a battery life of 14 hours, which can be recharged through a USB cable. Number 3. Phillips 3-in-1 Air Purifier, Fan and Heater. This insane gadget comes with an out-of-the-box solution for all your air needs. With the Phillips 3-in-1 Air Purifier, Fan and Heater, you can now enjoy pure air, a cool breeze, and a cozy warmth all at the same time. We don't know how Phillips thought of making such an incredible gadget, but we are thankful that they did. This magical device is capable of more than just purification, cooling, and heating. The fan oscillates 350 degrees, allowing you to choose where you want your air to go. So whether you're looking for a pure breath of air or just want to warm up the room, you can do it all with this insane tech gadget. Number 2. Extra Parliament. Wallets are the safest way to keep our money and valuables secure, but even with the most vigilant of owners, a wallet can still be misplaced. That's why Extra Parliament is the perfect accessory for any modern man. This ultra-slim wallet is designed with style and functionality in mind, allowing you to access your cards with just the push of a button. The wallet is made from sturdy materials that are bend-proof and RFID protected, so you can be sure your cards are secure at all times. What really sets the Extra Parliament apart from other wallets is the built-in Bluetooth tracker. This solar-powered feature will allow you to locate your wallet wherever possible, ensuring that your cards and money are always within reach. We recommend this gadget to everyone because you never know when you might drop your wallet in a taxi or leave it in your coat pocket at the mall. Number 1. Ember Mug 2. Most people love to take a hot cup of coffee or tea, but not everyone has the time to drink it in one sitting. Introducing the Ember Mug 2, a revolutionary smart mug that will keep your hot beverage at the perfect temperature from the first sip to the last drop. This mug features a customizable LED light that you can change to your unique style, and it even has a ping alert, so you know when it's running out of juice. This insane gadget will keep your beverage hot for up to 1.5 hours on a single charge and can heat your drink to between 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 145 degrees Fahrenheit. And the best part is you can control the temperature using the Ember app from your smartphone. So if you are a home or office worker or just an avid coffee lover, the Ember Mug 2 is a gadget you must need. So these are some of the most innovative tech gadgets out there that you should definitely check out. Of course, technology innovation is ongoing, and there are likely to be even more amazing gadgets soon. Be sure to keep an eye out for all the new developments if you want to stay ahead of the curve. We hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to like and share it. Thanks for watching.